Excel's Formula Auditing group has tools to make sure formulas in Excel are calculating right. In this video, we will talk about tools that give you the ability to trace cells used in a formula, to trace precedents, and to trace dependents. Precedent cells are cells that supply data to a formula. Dependent cells are cells that reference or rely on data from another cell. These tools are commonly used to understand how formulas in a financial model work. It gives you a visual presentation of the logic behind the formulas. To view the precedent cells, first, select the cell you want to audit. In this case, we select cell H12. Go to the Formulas tab, and under the Formula Auditing group, click Trace Precedents button. A blue line with dots and arrows appear. Cell H8, the sales volume, and cell H10, the sales price, supply data to the revenue formula found in cell H12. To double check, you can simply look in the formula bar. If you click the Trace Precedents button for the second time, Excel displays another set of precedent cells. Clicking the Trace Precedents button for the third, fourth, and so on and so forth will show all other precedent cells of the selected cell. Now we can see how a change in one cell affects the other cells. This gives us the logic behind the formula and the cells used. Once Excel cannot trace any precedent cells, it will notify you with a beep sound. If there are precedent cells found in a separate worksheet, Excel displays a black dashed line. To see the cells, simply double-click on the dashed line, select the worksheet from the dialog box, click OK, and Excel directs you to the separate worksheet containing the precedent cell. We can audit formulas in the opposite direction by tracing dependent cells, cells that reference or rely on data from other cells. If we select the same cell, cell H12, and click Trace Dependents, this means Excel cannot find any dependent cell, and so any changes in cell H12 will not affect any cells. If we select cell H8 and click Trace Dependents, this tells us H12 relies on data from cell H8, and so any changes in cell H8 will affect cell H12. If we continue selecting other cells and clicking Trace Dependents, we can see how the formulas and the cells used in these formulas work. Once you are done auditing, to remove the arrows, go back to the Formula Auditing group and click on Remove the Arrows button. You can also use the drop-down menu to choose which arrows to remove. I hope you find this video helpful. For more Excel videos, please subscribe to our channel. Also, visit our website, efinancialmodels.com. Thank you for watching.